hearty welcome to the Faculty Development Program organized by Internal Quality Assurance Cell of Sri Ayyappa College for Women and Shiksha Sanskriti Udhanyas SSUN's Tamil Nadu chapter. We are all bound to our homes. Most of us are missing our classrooms, our students. Yet, every cloud has a silver lining. The stakeholders of higher education sector have created a new ecosystem of learning from the adverse situations we are in. We were very quick to adapt and adopt the virtual learning platforms to get connected with our students. And today, we are here communicating through a virtual platform or environment, maybe over a cup of tea from the comfort zones of our homes. And as said by the Honorable Minister of Human Resource Development, Dr. Ramesh Pokhriyal, I quote, "The whole world is looking towards India. Our cultural heritage is our strength. Ancient knowledge should become part of every discipline," unquote. At some points like this, the lockdown times, we are forced to admit that our technologies have dismantled the organic basis of our life. Today, we are in search of new medical models, and most often the researchers are tracked down to the indigenous knowledge systems of our land, be it yoga, Ayurveda, Vedanta, and most of the times our grandmas' medicinal preparations or decoctions come at hand, and they are the best. And here lies the importance of our indigenous knowledge systems. And this webinar based FDP aims to explore our nation's traditional knowledge systems, teaching methods and heritage. We hope that this will enlighten the academic fraternity on various aspects such as personality development, character formation, research for society, and pragmatic orientation in education. And we are truly fortunate to have resource persons from all across the nation. Sri A. Vinod from Palakkad, Kerala, he is the member of National Monitoring Committee of Education, Ministry of HRD, Government of India. He will be introducing the knowledge traditions of Bharat to us. Our second resource person, Dr. N.C. Induchudan, again from Kerala, is very popular for his passion towards nature. He has strived for the protection of the environment not only as an activist but also in his capacity as the district forest officer. And he will be addressing us on the Indian approach to environmental education. Dr. G. Kannabiran, Director, Indian Institute of Information and Technology, Sri City, Andhra Pradesh, is an academician par excellence. Today, as the head of an institution established under a special act of parliament, he is proving himself to be an exemplary leader and administrator. Professor Kannabiran will be addressing us on the topic Society-Oriented Education and Research. Professor Dr. Vivek Kumar, Vivekananda Chair, Jammu Central University, is addressing the participants of a program arranged by a college in the southern tip of our nation, Kanyakumari. And I strongly feel that this is the most exciting part of this FDP. And he will be enlightening us on the topic India's contribution to the world. And for the finale, we have Dr. G. Sethuraman, Professor of Chemistry and Director, Research and Development, the Gandhigram Rural Institute, deemed to be university. A very popular academician in this part of the world, he is really an inspiration to us. I promise. His session is going to be very beneficial to us as he will be deliberating on the quality mandates in the higher education sector. And regarding our participants, we have got registration from all zones of our country, and I'm very glad to inform you that we have got even participants from other countries, making our program truly international. And we will be together for 5 days, part of a mission to disseminate knowledge. Let us unlearn and relearn through this process and make ourselves better teachers and better individuals. And this is Savita Yeya, representing the organizing team, signing off for the time being, and we will be seeing again. And happy learning. Have a good day. Thank you so much.